Good morning everyone. My name is Alia Kalisa with NPM 25412069 from class AKT 25A. And today I would like to present a topic about business ethic in business communication. Business ethic is very important concept in the modern business world. Today, companies are not only expect to focus on making profit, but they also expect to behave ethically and responsibility. Every business activity involves interact with many people such as customer, employees, supplier, and business partner. Because of this, ethical behavior is very important to maintain trust and good relationship. In this presentation, I will explain about the meaning of ethic, business ethic, professionalism, ethic principle, and also marketing ethic and customer protection. Before discussing in the main topic, it's important to understand why business ethic is necessary in business activity. In the business world, companies make many decisions every day. Some decisions may affect employee, customer, and even society. Without ethical guidelines, companies might focus only on profit and ignore the impact of their action. Business ethics help companies make better decisions by considering moral values such as honesty, fairness, and responsibility. When companies apply ethical principles, they can build trust, maintain a good reputation, and create long-term success. First, let us discuss meaning ethic. The word ethic comes from the Greek and word ethos, which means character, habit, or way of life. Ethic is the study of moral values and principles to guide human behavior. It helps people decide whether an action is right or wrong. In daily life, ethic helps people behave respectfully and responsibility toward others. For example, telling the truth, respecting others, and making responsibility for our action are example of their behavior. In business, these ethical values are also very important because they influence how companies treat customer, employee, and the partners. Next, we move to the definition business ethic. Business ethic refers to a set moral principle and values that guide behavior in business activities. It helps business leaders and organizations decide what actions are acceptable and responsible in the workplace. For example, companies must decide how to treat employees and fairly, how to communicate honestly with customers, and how to compete with other business in fair way. Business ethics also helps companies avoid unethical actions such as fraud, corruption, or mislead advertisements. By following ethical principles, companies can create positive image and gain trust from society. Communication is one of the most important elements in business activities. Companies' communication with many parties every day include employee, customer, supplier, and investor. Because communication is very frequent, it must be done ethically. Ethical communication means providing information that is honest, clear, and respectful. For example, companies should not give false promise in advertisements, or hide important information from customer. If communication is dishonest, customer may lose trust and company reputation may be damaged. 3. Ethical communication is very important for building strong and lasting business relationship. As several reasons why business should always act ethically. First, ethical behavior helps build customer trust. When customers trust a company, they are more likely to continue buying its product or service. Second, ethically practice help maintain a good company reputation. A positive reputation can attract more customer and investor. Third, ethical behavior can increase customer loyalty. Customers usually prefer companies that treat them fairly and honestly. Fourth, ethical principles help create a healthy and positive work environment for employees. Finally, ethical business practice support long-term sustainability, meaning the company can survive and grow for many years. According to Bartens, there are their main approach to understand ethics. The first approach is the descriptive approach. This approach studies how people behave and how moral values are applied in real life. The second approach is the normative approach. This approach focuses on how people should behave based on moral principles. The third approach is mathematic. Mathematics studies the meaning of moral concepts such as good, bad, right, and wrong. This approach helps us understand ethics more deeply and apply ethical thinking in different situations. The important concept related to business ethics is professionalism. Professionalism means doing a job with responsibility, honestly, and competence. In business communication, professionalism is reflected in the way someone speaks, behaves, and interacts with others. A professional person communicates, clearly listens to others respectfully, and provides accurate information. Professionalism also helps create mutual respect and cooperation in the workplace. When employees act professionally, the company will also appear more trustworthy and reliable. There are several dimensions that describe professionalism in business communication. The first is competence, which means having the knowledge and skilling needed to perform a job activity. The second is integrity, which refers to honesty and consistency in behavior. The third is responsibility, which means being accountable for discussing an action. The fourth is objectivity, which means being fair and not influenced by personal interest. The fifth is trustworthiness, which means maintaining the truth given by others. And the last, work ethic, which refers to dedication and commitment to doing a job well. These qualities helps individuals build a strong professional image in the workplace. According to Alvin A. Aronous, there are several important ethic principles in business. The first principle is integrity, which means being honest, trustworthy in all action. The second principle is objectivity, which means making decisions without personal bias. The third principle in professional is competence, which means having the necessary knowledge and skills to perform tasks properly. The fourth principle is confidentiality, which means protecting important or sensitive information. The last principle is professional behavior, which means following ethical standards, laws, and regulation. This principle help maintain trust, fairness in business environments. Next is marketing ethics and customer protection. Marketing is an important activity business because it introduces product and service to customer. However, marketing must also follow ethical guidelines. Companies should provide honest and accurate information about their product. They should avoid misleading advertisement or exaggerated claims that may confuse customers. Also have the right receive safe and high quality product. Because of this, company must reach consumer right and ensure that their product met the promised standard. At marketing practices help companies build stronger relationship with customers. The last is conclusion. In conclusion, business ethics plays a very important role in modern business activity. Ethical behavior helps companies communication honestly, build a trust with customers, and maintain a positive reputation. Business ethics also encourages professionalism and responsibilities decision making in organization. By applying ethical principles, companies can create sustainable relationships with stakeholders and achieve long-term success. That is all for my presentation about business ethics in business communication. Thank you very much for your attention.